Arabica coffee beans are considered to be of a higher quality than the more commonly grown Robusta beans. They are known for their delicate and nuanced flavors, which can include notes of fruit, berries, chocolate, and even flowers. Arabica beans are also lower in caffeine than Robusta beans, making them a popular choice for those who are sensitive to the stimulant. Arabica coffee beans are native to the highlands of Ethiopia, where they have been cultivated for centuries. They are now grown in many other countries throughout the world, including Colombia, Brazil, and Central America. The beans are typically grown at high altitudes, between 1,800 and 2,800 meters above sea level. This high altitude and the cool temperatures found there help the beans to mature slowly, which contributes to their unique flavor profile. Arabica beans are typically picked by hand, which is a labor-intensive process, but it ensures that only the ripest and highest quality beans are selected. After the beans are picked, they are processed in one of two ways, the wet method or the dry method. The wet method involves removing the outer layers of the bean, the pulp and parchment, by soaking the beans in water. This process also helps to remove any defects from the beans. The dry method involves leaving the beans to dry in the sun, which can take several weeks. This method is typically used in regions where water is scarce. After the beans have been processed, they are graded according to quality. The highest quality beans are called specialty grade and are used to make some of the world's finest coffees. These beans are typically grown in small quantities, are free of defects, and have a distinct and nuanced flavor profile. Lower quality beans are used to make commercial grade coffee. Arabica coffee beans are particularly susceptible to disease and pests, which can cause significant damage to crops. One of the most significant threats to Arabica beans is the coffee leaf rust, CLR, fungus. This fungus can quickly spread and cause significant damage to crops. It is important for farmers to use good agricultural practices, such as crop rotation and proper pruning, to help prevent the spread of CLR. In conclusion, Arabica coffee beans are considered to be of a higher quality than Robusta beans, and are known for their delicate and nuanced flavors. They are grown in many countries throughout the world, and are typically grown at high altitudes. The beans are picked by hand, and are then processed using either the wet or dry method. Arabica beans are particularly susceptible to disease and pests, which can cause significant damage to crops. Despite the challenges, Arabica beans continue to be a popular choice for coffee drinkers around the world.